We're making flourless keto buns with cottage cheese. Let's go! If you watched my most recent live, you would have seen me make these buns with Psyllium Husk Powder, but in this video, I'm trying it out with flaxseed meal. The reason I'm doing this in a concise video is so we can save you time getting through the recipe, and also some people ask me to make it in a proper video. We also have a couple of announcements to make. I am cutting my hair relatively short, and that is because I'm doing an experiment on myself and hopefully my husband Chris on a recipe for hair loss. The second announcement is that we will be going live again because I think everyone had fun, and the times are my Saturday morning, your Friday. So my 5 a.m. in Brisbane, Australia. In Melbourne, it'll be 6 a.m. New York, USA, EST 2 p.m. Chicago, CST 1 p.m. LA, Los Angeles, PST 11 a.m. Canada, Vancouver, PST 11 a.m. Ottawa, EST 2 p.m. The UK, London, you are GMT 7 p.m. and Germany, Berlin, CET 8 p.m. So I hope you get to join me and we can have a little party. But back to this recipe. Your nutritional information and the shopping list is listed in the description box, and let's get into the recipe now. To a blender, add 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of cottage cheese. You can see mine is a heaping 1/3 cup. And then 2 eggs. Next, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. At this point, you can also add herbs and spices and then blend for about 10 seconds. Add the mixture to a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of Psyllium Husk Powder or golden flaxseed meal like I'm doing here. Mix that together until you have one consistency. Now add it to a bun mold, preferably silicone. We want to make 2 buns, so add it to 2 casings. If using metal, do grease the tin first. Cover with foil, creating a dome shape so the buns have room to rise. Then bake in a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Remove the foil and you will see them beautifully risen. Quickly place them back in the oven for 10 minutes. They will deflate a little due to the change in temperature. Turn off the heat and let them cool in the oven for about 20 minutes so that they can cool gradually, which will minimize them deflating. And this is how they look. Just cutting up the buns to show you the inside, and they have got lovely air pockets, and I showed you earlier they are soft and so pliable. I would think that they are perfect for breakfast buns, you know, have some bacon and egg in there, or even a filled roll if you like. So I hope you get to try these buns and do let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.